In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your country settings in Google Ads quickly and effectively. If you're running campaigns and need to target different countries, or perhaps you've relocated and need to adjust your account settings, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the step-by-step process so you can accomplish this in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Ads. This platform is essential for businesses aiming to attract customers and enhance online visibility. If you're not already signed in, click the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details to access your Google Ads account. This will take you to your Google Ads home, which serves as the central hub for your advertising activities. Once signed in, you will be on the Google Ads dashboard. Here, look for the Campaign tab in the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on Campaign brings you to a page where all your current and past campaigns are listed. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your advertising efforts. Next, locate the Settings option, which can be found under the Campaign menu. Clicking Settings will open up various configurations for your campaigns. This is where you'll customize your campaign structure, including setting budgets, altering targeting settings, and of course changing location settings, which is our focus today. Now click on Locations under the Settings tab. This section allows you to define the geographic areas your ads are aimed at. Whether you want to expand your reach to new territories or refine to a specific locale, this is where the magic happens. If you're targeting multiple regions, consider how each location affects your strategy and budget allocation. In the location settings, you'll see a list of the currently targeted countries or regions. To change your settings, you can either remove existing locations by clicking the X next to them, or add new ones by typing the desired location into the search bar and selecting it from the suggestions. Double check your selections to ensure they align with your campaign's goals. Bear in mind, changing your location settings might impact your ad performance, so it's a good idea to review the performance data after making these adjustments. Once you've confirmed your changes, save the new settings to finalize the update. There you have it. You've successfully changed your country settings in Google Ads. Remember, keeping your location targets current and relevant can significantly influence the success of your advertising efforts. With these straightforward steps, you can ensure your ads are reaching the right audience, no matter where you or your customers are in the world. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.